I'm Natasha Bartley, and I'm a master's student in the Urban Studies program. I went to my boss, I let him know that I was looking to grow, and I wanted to understand the trajectory of one's career in my shoes. I was told that, unfortunately you have enough experience, but you have some people around you that have their masters. So I started to do research and figure out, how do I get my master's? And when I did a lot of research, I found out that it was going to be more money than I could afford. I have 3 kids, and I was looking to figure out a way to get my master's without tapping into the resources that paid the rent, the light, the food, and their transportation. So I spoke to a coworker at my job, and she said, well, do you know that CWA 1180 has these resources that if you wanted to pursue your master's, you could? What that did for me was a sense of relief when I found out that pursuing my master's was to the credit of CWA 1180, and I didn't have to pay anything out of pocket for just the master's program. I came to SLU to find my voice. I came to SLU to find community. I came to SLU because I wanted to pursue a higher level of advancement in my career. And if you are looking to build community, if you are looking to advocate for yourself, if you are passionate about labor and labor issues, if you are looking to correct wrongs in your community, then SLU is where you should be.